right, guys, my store had some Christmas stuff out. I don't think all of it because it's, you know, August. However, sorry, I'm moving these. I got a couple candles for a DIY, and then I dropped it in the parking lot. Anyway, I want to show you guys what I found. You guys might be interested. I heard that they were going to have snowman wreaths, and I really hope they do. My store didn't have them out. Yes, it's August, but you know if I don't get it now, it's going to sell out. So, I got these ornaments. A lot of these little wooden ones are $5 for $1, which is cheaper than at Michael's. And I like to let the kids do like DIY ornaments for our home, but like for the grandparents every year. So I got some different options. This is so cute. How cute are these? And then I got these. I thought those were super cute. There's my receipt. Gotta get in here. Sorry, guys. I know it's not the most professional video. I got these because there are 4 of us and 2 cats, so I want to like put our little names up here or something. And then the other ones we'll probably be giving away as, you know, if the kids decorate. These guys, check this out. I love these for wreaths. They have these. They had them for fall. Now they have them peace, joy, and believe. I thought that was so cute. I got another pack of these. I have these. I had seen someone post these, and I'm super happy that we have them. There's like, see how like they're 3D? There's like an extra layer here, which I think makes them look a little more high-end than just like the one. I got one for each kid to make. I found these. I might let the kids, like, I don't know, decorate these with like pom-poms and paint, or maybe like make ornaments to put on. I don't know. And then I got this. It says merry and bright. I kind of like it just like that, like with the raw wood. Can you hear my daughter singing? This I thought was so cute. I can't get it out of the bag. Good grief, Melanie. I'm just going to set y'all down for a minute because I'm professional. Look. Peace. And the A is this Christmas tree. I thought that was so cute. I don't know if I'm going to paint that or try to decoupage it or whatever. And then this one says Merry, and the Y is a cute deer. How cute country is that? Actually, I should go back and get one of these for my mom. Anyway, that's what I found so far. If you guys see some awesome stuff, please let me know. I'm still looking for the pumpkin wreath form I haven't found. That's it, guys. I can't wait to make a wreath out of this. Christmas is coming. Bum, 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 bum. Subscribe for DIYs, guys. I'll link my other hauls below. Bye, guys.